Yo. C'est parti, hein. Je suis en perdre, moi. Je suis en perdre maintenant. Parce que j'ai la tête d'un mec qui a du temps à perdre. En vrai, oui. En vrai, oui. J'étais où? J'étais là? Bah, c'est bien, ça. Ah, du coup, je vais me taper cash le boss, là. Je peux faire les autres trucs ou ça va pas me laisser? Je suis curieux. J'ai même pas accès aux autres zones? Ah oui, il faut vraiment direct faire le... Ok. Y'a pas le time, y'a pas le time, hein. On m'a... C'est pas beaucoup, hein. Une grosse statue de lion, là. Une porte ici de manoir. Oui. À la gueule de la salle de bain, quand même.
Great.
Là, ils ont une putain de vie, hein.
But how? With someone who refuses to talk. We don't even share the bonds of grief anymore. She walks her path, and I walk mine.
Cool. Allez. Pas énormément de temps aujourd'hui, je vais partir dans genre 1 heure. En vrai, ils me font 1h15 d'habitude. Ou plus, là il va faire 1 heure pile. Vivre avec, non? Ça va? Je peux accéder à l'autre côté ou pas du tout? C'est fermé, hein. Oh putain, pardon.
I knew you'd open the door for her.
Really, Verso? This was your plan? How many times must you hurt our family?
No, you don't get to lecture me on family.
Why do you refuse to see I am doing this for us? Yet you insist on rushing toward death. You're trying to stop the wrong cycle.
You're doing this for yourself.
Of course. It's easier for you to think that, isn't it? Easier to betray us if I'm the villain.
So move. I'm gonna fucking kill him.
You haven't told her the truth. Have you, son?
Sorry we're late. We were busy doing a bit of reading. Were you planning on sharing that this man, the man who murdered our team, is your father?
Family is not my favorite topic.
C'est bien fait une engueulade genre devant le
Right, can we talk about
mec.
this later? I'd really like for you all to survive this.
Ah, j'ai complètement oublié tous ces patterns, ça va être un désastre.
Forced us into this one.
Ok, c'est un bon début. Si je rate ça, ça détruit le perso, c'est ça?
She won't
Ready to
help
pounce.
you this time.
Oh, pas sauter.
I'm not angry, just disappointed.
Finesse and grace.
Let's go the path.
Ok.
Stain them.
Tearing this family apart.
Watch out, my help.
Should be fighting by my side.
Pour l'instant, il fait pas des trucs de dinguerie non plus.
The dance begins.
Oula, je sais plus ce qu'il fait.
Let's dance.
Waouh, je l'avais pas du tout ça. Délire.
The ink flow.
Ok, le début est facile. Bah.
Cover. Okay.
Watch out.
Oh là là. Ok.
Watch out. I've lived through worse.
Ah ouais.
Storm is coming. Ready to evade.
Blades sharpened.
Danger!
Ah, j'ai pas le droit de... C'est de ce fight. J'ai pas le droit d'envoyer l'équipe de réserve.
I'd really like for you all to survive this.
Ok. Le début est trop facile. Et après, ça devient un peu plus tendu.
Danger!
Forced us into this one.
I'm ready.
Et ça va.
Danger!
She won't help you this time.
Ok, nice.
I'm
Ready to
not
evade.
angry, just disappointed.
Oh là là, ils sont chelous ces patterns. Hein.
Ready to pound.
Tearing this family apart.
Heureusement que j'ai pas essayé ça la dernière fois. Il va invoquer ses masques, non?
Should be fighting by my side.
Let's spill some ink.
Il va réinvoquer sa merde. Phase 2. Et là, je sais rien faire.
The dance begins.
Ok, nice.
Cut him down.
Now's our chance. Brace yourselves.
Nice. Il me reste son tour de jeu là? Ok. J'ai eu vraiment peur pendant une seconde, parce que s'il se soigne, si je casse pas ses masques, que je faisais pas assez de dégâts, bah j'étais dans la merde. J'étais dans la merde. Du coup ça s'est bien passé, je suis juste out DPS le truc avec mes contres, mais... Putain, c'était court comme fight. Il y a genre pas assez de vie. Il va tuer Noko comme un fils de pute.
Everyone all right? Laka?
Noko's broken. Why can't you accept who you are?
What is that? Will you tell me your name?
Putain. Where did it go? No, 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 no. Alicia.
Fuck!
Oh, Dory. Thank you, mon ami.
Care to explain? Your father.
I don't think of him as my father anymore.
Still, why didn't you just tell us?
Because it's private. And it's painful and it's none of your business. I cut ties with him decades ago.
Lying by omission is still lying.
I've told you everything you need to know.
I'd rather make that determination for myself.
I think we can all understand where each other's coming from, right? He hasn't steered us wrong yet. But we're a team now. And we won't get very far if we don't trust each other.
Family's complicated.
Old friend, you've traveled miles, spinning in circles, your blind eyes on the dial, stripping off.
The stories say that Gestrels reincarnate. Is that true? Can you bring Noko back?
Partially. We can bring Noko back to life. But not all of Noko will return. It will be a different Noko. The one you knew is gone.
I'm so very sorry, my friend. And all for naught. The Painter's heart was in that manor, and now it's gone. We have no way to access the monolith.
Expedition 58 seemed to think you knew another way.
What?
We found 58 and their journals.
So that's how you... I wasn't hiding it. If that's what you're implying. It's a dead end.
Wait, what are you talking about?
There is someone else who can help us. Excuse me. Is it true? Can you make a weapon that can pierce the barrier? Do you need something from the Axons? Do you need their hearts?
Look, to create this weapon, he needs enormous amounts of pure chroma, which is way beyond what we can get from Nevrons. The only source are Axons, yes. But like I said, that's a dead end, it's impossible.
Why? What are Axons?
They're massive creatures in islands around the monolith. They're much stronger and much more dangerous than Nevrons. I can't die, and I still couldn't take them down.
Yet we found the corpse of one in Old Lumiere, so it's possible.
I don't know how that one died. But I'm telling you, listen to me, please. Our chances of taking them down without you not dying are close to zero.
Close, but not zero. Death is coming either way. And As expeditioners, if we die fighting.
Wonderful pep talk.
I know.
Ok.
All right. If we're going to fight the Axons, then let's be smart about it.
What do you mean?
I've had a few rough encounters with the Axons. There are 3 located on islands around the monolith, and we need at least 2 hearts to get enough chroma. One lives on a mountain too high for us to reach, so that one's out. We should start with the one to the west of the monolith. It's already been weakened by previous expeditions, right?
Yeah, good idea. Maximize our chances.
Or we embrace the challenge and pick the one in the east.
I like your spirit.
Thank you.
Did you listen to what I just said?
Ok, stylé. Maintenant, je dois me faire chier avec des cutscenes pendant une demi-heure. Ouais. 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 Let's go. Et on va aller voir le conservateur. Au quoi niveau hein. Ok. Parce que c'est bon. T'as ramassé des armes sympas toi ou pas? Ah bizarre, mais elle me casse les couilles hein. Donc là c'est saut. Non. Non. C'est pas mal ça. Hein. Mais c'est pas insane non plus. Donc ciao. Bon, là je vais être en enfer de cutscene.
All these years and you've
They're kind of...
and
I didn't think you cared about...
Lune and I have
Allez.
story time. Come on.
Over 100 years, actually.
You're a hun.
All right, all right. Okay. I'm gonna share something really dark with you.
Oh. Your hair. That's a bit literal on the dark and personal.
Hey, I'm sharing a heartfelt secret.
Please.
Sometime after the fracture, an old man. Luckily, the Gestrel village has a hairstylist quite skilled in...
Lucky.
But he's always napping when I get there, and his apprentice...
Purple could be fun.
So,
That was hardly...
white hair, old man,
All you've revealed is that you're vain, and that you're really bad at making...
vain. Hey, I'm not the one with all the...
Actually, my students made these because
Not...
I'm an optimist. But I'm also a realist. My youngest student is 6. Her parents will gommage when she's 12, and she herself won't live past 21. Her parents did the maths. They'll have 12 years as a family, and she'll experience 21 years of life. These are the choices we get to make. The earlier you have children, the more time you get to share with them. the more like. And every.
You're shortening your child's life.
Precisely.
You don't have any
No, one of my friends, Sophie, said it best. She said she loves her children so much, the best thing she could do is not to have them. See?
Yeah, you've set the bar high.
Come back with a better story.
Ok.
All these years,
They're kind of...
and you,
I didn't think...
Lune and I,
J'aime pas quand ils font ça, qu'il y en a genre 2 back-to-back.
here to make amends for.
I'll be honest. I didn't expect things...
I could tell.
Oh, I can keep...
A good one.
Yes.
No.
Would a vain person keep this scar? I could heal it. But I don't.
Oh?
It's a reminder of the price I paid to stand on my own 2 feet. So,
I feel like there's more. It's probably not a coincidence.
my health.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We disagreed on pretty much everything. I had to walk away, but he...
You fought?
It was the first time we ever...
If you can control your healing, that means.
Oh, I never thought of it that way. So, dark... Worthy of the story of that...
Well, that's the story for. The scars look good.
I know. That's the...
I knew it.
Ok. C'est un enfer de revisiter ces cutscenes.
All these
Genre
years.
t'en as une troisième là.
And you,
I didn't think...
Lune and I.
Ok, ouf.
Lune. Okay. My fellow night owl.
Night owl?
You never seem to sleep.
I sleep. I sleep enough.
What keeps you up?
What does?
From one insomniac to another.
Sometimes it's like the talking Neverons. The ones that seem to... I'm trying to make sense. I know there's an important piece of the puzzle there.
I've talked to a few. They mostly spout nonsense. I wouldn't expect too much.
Maybe you weren't asking the right...
Well, I'm certainly not as experienced.
What about you?
Same, I guess.
Really?
So, you'd call yourself an obsessed...
Come on. I just shared with you.
Sleep is not very restful for me. I used to have horrible dreams, but
Fascinating. So, you experienced...
well, that's not creepy.
Precisely.
So does this mean I can watch you sleep?
No, that'd be creepy.
Right.
Oh. Trop cool, j'utiliserai jamais ça. Si.
Lune. Okay. Eski. About.
That was mean.
He's not. I know, but
Ok.
enjoying the stars.
Stars are the...
I love the way you see them.
Ooh. He's not grumpy. Enfant used to be all... Wee.
Ooh.
Yeah. Centuries go by without your best friends. That's...
Yeah. But
Yes. Wee. Back in the day,
how come you're not grumpy like...
I am. I too am. But
You might might say you're
You really get me.
I'm a bit, wee-woo myself. Although I'm a bit more woo than we these days. Hey,
Oh. And if you squint and
Non pas que je me fasse chier, hein. Ouais. Oh cool. Enfin, une attaque gradient.
I'm
Esky,
s-
about
Dad.
he's not
Et
ready for the...
allez. Ouh. Ouais, j'ai vraiment très hâte à utiliser fracture. Ça va vraiment faire mal.
What was it like for you?
Aside from being a sad, although technically,
How old were you?
I never wanted kids.
That much.
Yeah, then they died. And I bounced around from family to... Oh yeah,
Yeah, I was...
I was a bit... I used to have lots of nightmares and
Le
talk to
mec Renard, il m'a
myself.
fait bégayer, hein.
And that's weird that we're all...
Il a genre... il s'est
Kind of
full
think
heal
everyone's
parce que j'ai
weird
pas
kid
cassé
in
ses
some
masques.
eyes.
J'ai fait oh putain. Mais finalement en fait il est trop weak, il a pas assez de vie, il meurt trop rapidement
Well, I
pour
was a
se
weird
heal
kid in
si je
everyone's
contre tout.
Even Gustav's.
Kind of. It's... I guess Gustav and Emma used to be weird kids.
See? Everyone's...
Renoir.
What did you do? Ciel was a farmer, Lune was a researcher.
Nobody wanted me for any of the fancy, but that turned out to be kind of nice. I got to go
Yeah.
the hanging up. Do you miss?
J'aime bien à quel point il
me?
était facile ce fight. En fait c'est juste... Il fait des trucs bien, mais il a pas assez de
Yeah,
HP pour
just the
vraiment les
place.
faire. Et je pense que c'est en vrai
Everything about that time.
une
The
majorité
festivals,
des
the
mobs de
gardens,
ce jeu.
dancing
sont
the
comme
night
ça.
away on the harbor. Third home is gone.
You have us now.
Yeah.
Ils,
So,
ils sont cool, ils ont des attaques
You wanna
cool,
dance the
mais
night
ils
away?
ont pas de vie. Donc t'as jamais besoin de les apprendre.
Maybe us.
J'ai rien suivi. Je m'en bats les steaks aussi, mais j'ai pas suivi. Ouais.
ready for the axe? I'm sorry, mon vieux.
I know,
I'm ready.
when the time is right.
Oh, merci Dusky Corona 95 ABHP de me proposer des viewers. Je vais vraiment liser ton lien là. Donc,
Polishing your collection of Nevlegs?
Yes.
Yes. I, too, find the legs of our enemies to be...
Yes, I knew you would appreciate.
Why do you need to...
A warrior must be prepared for battle.
Mental, eh?
Imagine you're in Nevron, and you see me charging to brandishing the well-polished and gleaming. Think of the intimidation.
True. I wouldn't want to battle anyone who's using your hairy foot as a club. More for the sm...
And then, I from that alone. The
Oh, you're right.
You should try it. Even though you can't transform. Look, aren't they beautiful?
That's... all right. You wouldn't want to be so intimidating that the Nevs run away, right?
Fair point.
The cleanup. Want to go intimidate...
But maybe later.
All right, then.
c'est vrai que la première fois, j'ai trouvé cool ces scènes, mais c'est vrai que le fait qu'elles soient stackées ensemble comme ça, là, genre back to back to back,
I'm
c'est
sorry.
long, hein.
I know.
I'm ready.
When the time is right.
Ok, fini. J'ai vraiment que 3 là. Plus du tout où ils sont, moi. Oh. Trop cool.
So, the masked person with Renoir. What a hard leap to...
Her name's Alicia.
What's wrong with her? She wears a mask all the time, she never talks. And
She was trapped in a fire a long time ago.
why?
She helped me before. I thought she'd help me. Family is... Do you want the armband?
What?
I
Wear it anyway.
did.
Strangely, no. I hate secrets.
Thanks.
Ouf, j'ai le droit de jouer au jeu. Je peux casser les corails, c'est ça? Ouais, trop cool. Ouais. Alors. Putain, j'ai tant d'options d'un seul coup là, c'est terrible. Je pense que je vais faire sirène en premier. Je sais pas pourquoi. Décidé. Vous tapez, vous.
Get ready. Get ready.
Sblim. Ok. Ouais. Je connais tellement pas ce mob.
Take cover!
Est-ce que je produis pour l'instant? Oh là là. Il met du shield, le chien. Ah. Ok. Putain, mais j'ai pas du tout, hein.
Let the ink flow.
J'ai pas du tout ce qu'il fait, hein. Enfin.
Careful now.
Bah ok, suicide-toi. Hein.
Let's dance.
Oh. Ok, c'est bon.
Let's push forward.
Ouais.
Let us get wet.
On peut y aller? Non. Ok. C'est juste un raccourci vers l'autre zone. Là, je peux clairement pas les taper. Tant pis. Là, il y a des trucs ou... Pas vraiment. Pourquoi il y a un corail random là? Plonge.
Non.
Ok.
Ready to parry.
Et ciao.
Not impressed.
C'est un délire les moissonneuses par contre. Voilà. Fais pas chier. J'aime bien comment je peux ignorer toutes les mécaniques, genre résistance par résistance, je fais juste max dégâts.
I'm ready.
Ok, donc c'est 1, 2, 3. Ok, le 3 vient plus vite que j'ai l'impression. Ok, 1, 2... Pourquoi j'étais sûr qu'il y avait 3 ? Je me suis fait matrixer par le chromatique, je pense.
Let's spill some ink.
Let the ink flow. I'm ready.
Long combo. 1, 3.
Careful.
Ok,
with my
chelou.
arm.
Et toi t'es mort de toute façon.
Finesse and grace.
Ready to obey.
Bref combo. 1, 2, 3. Nice.
Time to end this.
Let's push forward.
And guard.
Waouh, trop bien.
A storm is coming.
Allez.
Not impressed.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ok. J'ai
Shut.
un peu mieux.
Please, mine.
1, 2, 3. C'est le premier hit que j'ai du mal. On ramène là quand même.
Sorry I failed. I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Ok. Bon. C'est chiant. Et ça c'est quoi? Critique sur vulnérabilité. Je peux pas appliquer vulnérabilité. C'était bien, hein. C'est où là?
Time for swim swim.
Ok. Allez, on voit des casse-couilles là.
Ready to evade.
Verso dodge.
Oh, chiant.
Careful.
Lune, watch out. Let's dance. I'm ready.
Get ready. Lune, careful. Lune, careful.
Il m'a gonflé en fait.
Please, mine.
Oh là là. Je maîtrise pas du tout ce mob. Moins qu'il y a l'attaque des orbes, parce que ça facilite de ouf, mais...
You can do better.
Tourbillonne, c'est quoi déjà? C'est ça, ok. Il est mort? Il est mort. Arbusculum. Tu vends quoi toi? Des vêtements?
Ah, t'es green.
Ouais, trop bien.
Oh, mais
Oh, Chroma.
What have we here?
let's get wet.
Là, je peux pas y aller parce que je vole pas. Ah oui,
Let us get
cette zone. Certes. Et si on tapait Sprong à la place? Je pense que je vais faire Sprong dans l'acte 2. Je suis un psychopathe de faire ça. Mais... En vrai, faut que je parte. On va rentrer ici. Faire 45 minutes de live, c'est un peu court, mais bon.
Careful. Some
C'est exceptionnel.
expeditions died here.
Okay.
There's an abnormal Nevron roaming about. And it has a taste for expeditioner armbands.
tous les kawaii. Qui potul. Allô? Yeah. Bimbo qui potul. Yene. Viva.
Ok. Ah. Ouais. Bon bah écoutez, c'est ce qu'on va faire au prochain stream. On améliore. Bah, vas-y hein. Alors... Toi c'est bon. Toi c'est bon. On va jouer un peu avec Ciel et Monoko. On va s'arrêter ici. Merci à tout le monde d'être passé. Je vous dis ciao ciao.